Good morning! Today I have a question for you. Have you ever built a windmill to realize that it does not create a lot of power? Well, in the second edition of the Eco series, I am going to show you how I made the solution, which is called a boost converter. Dagic DIY. Think, build and share. Since I do not have any PCB, I am going to create my own board with some wood. I drilled the necessary holes according to my schematic. For this project, you are going to need one transistor, one MOSFET transistor, one coil, one resistor, one diode, two high voltage capacitors, and one small capacitor. I add some small wires to my components so that they can pass through the wooden piece. Once this is done, it is time to solder everything in place, still according to my schematic. There it is. Make sure to have good connections and no short circuits, and it should work as mine. At first, this boost converter has had some surprising results, but then it is cool knowing that it can hold a charge of 8 volts. We can also find some adjustable boost converters that are cheap and adjustable with the help of a potentiometer on internet. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.